Hey besties, I thought I did this video already, but I'm sweating again. I don't know, it's hot. So let me just get into the story. So the other day I cleaned up the bathroom, right? And I didn't want anything on the sink, right? And so I put all their toothpaste up in the medicine cabinet. So when you got to brush your teeth, you take down your toothpaste and then you brush your teeth, whatever. So every morning my wife brushes her teeth or whatever, she leaves her toothpaste on the sink. And every day I come home from work, because I work nights and she works days. So every time I come home from work, I put her toothpaste and my toothpaste back in the medicine cabinet. So it's been going on a while, right? So she would leave it on the sink. So it was going back and forth for, I would say, like maybe a week, almost 2 weeks. So she said, "What is up with this toothpaste?" And I was like, "Oh, I don't want nothing on the sink." So she was like, "Oh, okay." So she ain't say nothing. So again, she kept leaving her toothpaste down. I kept putting it back. So this morning when I came home from work, this is what she did. So now she left all the toothpaste out and told me to figure out. So she asked me today, she was like, she asked me today, "Did you see the toothpaste?" I said, "Yeah, I saw the toothpaste." So now my ass is going to put it all the way back again. It's the battle of the toothpaste.